this one for my birthday. Wait, and I'm gonna eat this.
No, that one. You guys see that one? That one's going to me.
I'll call it cherries. Look at that one. It's pink.
Oh, Joe, that one's going to you.
Yep, this one's going to you, Joe. It's like really pink, and you're gonna love it. Yep, we're getting it for you for your birthday. Uh-huh.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright, free? Come on, put it back. Very nice. Cold? They're 89 cents.
Oh, fuck that.
Well, wait.
That's free.
Wait. Whoa, look at all the chicken. Look at that. Ice. Delicious stuff to eat. I'd get these. That was this was in this aisle. In this aisle. So I put my candy over there.
Get you a new one then.
Maybe I don't want Butterfingers.